All right, guys. So sound was off on the other video. I'm making another one. So check it out. In any business, you have to monitor your expenses and your income. Income in business is called revenue, and that's why there's that comment letting you know that. All right. So here's our Rick and Morty shirts. We purchased 200, and we purchased them for $5 each. So how would we total the total cost? Well, what we would have to do is multiply 200 times 5, right? The number of you purchased times the cost of each shirt. But in Excel, you want to do a little different. I want to do whatever shows up in this cell times whatever shows up in this cell, right? And that's what you see happening here. B3 times, and you see how it's orange, times this. And Excel, the spreadsheet actually started to guess that's what I wanted, and it is. I want the orange times the blue, the amount purchased times the cost of the shirt. Let me zoom in for you. There we go. All right. So it automatically calculates. And what's cool about that is I can change how many shirts I buy, and it will automatically adjust. But we're back at 200. So your job is to make sure you get that formula in there. Now, we're also going to do that same formula for revenue. So you can actually Control C, copy, and then paste it over here. Okay, it changed the color, so I don't know, you can change it back or not worry about it. Now let's look at what's going on. It's multiplying the sales price by units sold, right? Orange times purple. So the sales price is whatever you decide to sell it for. Let's say you decide to sell it for 25 bucks, and let's say you sell 178 units. There's how much money you make. Now we're not done because we want total expenses right here. So we want to add up all the expenses because the Rick and Morty stuff isn't the only thing we're inventorying. Let's say we're also selling pants or something like that. We won't get to that for this assignment, but that's okay. So it's guessing what I want to sum up. It's guessing I want to sum up that. No, I do not want to sum up that. I want to sum up that. So there's two options. One, you can just, sorry, you can just write sum and then highlight this part. Or, well, let's do it over here in total revenue. You can also click on this function button, and the first thing that pops up is sum, and then just highlight, well, sorry, sum, and then just highlight this. There we go. Now you'll see if, let's say, for example, I'm going to sell some pants at $15 and I sell 100. Um, then I need to watch this. This is another thing I want to show you. I'm going to grab the corner of this and drag it down, and it will copy that formula for all of these rows. Same thing over here. Go ahead and do that. Now, what's cool about this is when I enter in something, let's say I purchased 120 of these at at 449. Look, cost automatically uh, adjusting. Our revenue automatically adjusting. And then it's adding it all up right here, how much total money came in and how much total expenses. So all I want you to do real quick after all that is to say equals how much money came in, that's our total revenue, minus total expenses. Now it's not highlighting all of this, it's just that cell. Don't worry, it's because I merged them. It'll be okay. Now watch, it's automatically adjusting. And let's say I sell 150 of these. Well, I got to buy more of those, right? Uh, Look, profit automatically adjusts. All right. So let me know if you have any questions.